AI can write essays. It can generate art. It can even code entire apps in seconds. So here's the big question. If AI can do so much, what skills will still matter for humans? Because the future of work isn't about competing with AI. It's about learning what only humans can bring to the table. Hi, I'm Cynthia, and welcome to SynthiaTek. Today, we're exploring the most important skills for surviving and thriving in an AI-driven world. No tech degree required. Let's break it down. AI is great at giving answers, but humans are still better at asking the right questions. Critical thinking means checking if information is accurate, spotting bias or misinformation, understanding context, not just data. I can suggest, but humans decide. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, the ability to think clearly will be more valuable than ever. AI can simulate empathy, but it doesn't actually feel. Humans do. Skills like empathy, communication, leadership, collaboration, these are what build trust, relationships, and culture. Whether it's managing a team, teaching students, caring for others, or creating meaningful experiences, emotional intelligence remains deeply human. AI can remix ideas, but humans imagine why those ideas matter. Creativity isn't just art or music, but it's problem solving, innovation, seeing possibilities others don't. The future belongs to people who can guide AI creatively, not just use it passively. I is the tool. Humans are the storytellers, the one skill that beats all the others. The ability to learn again and again. Jobs will change. Tools will evolve. Entire industries will transform. Those who stay curious, flexible, and open to change won't just survive, they'll lead. So what skills matter most in an AI-driven world? Not just coding, not just technology, but thinking, feeling, creating, and adapting. The future isn't human versus AI, it's human plus AI. And that future starts with how we choose to grow. Thanks for watching, SynthiaTek. If this helped you think differently about the future, subscribe, and join me as we continue decoding what it means to be human in the age of AI.